iMobie AnyTrans review. So hello everyone, so in today's video I'll be doing a review on iMobie AnyTrans and if it's worth it or not. So without further ado, let us begin. So this right here is the review right here for AnyTrans right here in iMobie. So in here AnyTrans has main features. So first is it has backup and restore iDevice data. So as a data manager, the backup manager feature is crucial as backups may be the last thing you can get back lost data. So AnyTrans has this feature. Next is you can also sync your iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch to computers selectively or Wally. The next is you also have add content to the iDevice from computer, iTunes, iCloud, or external hard drive. Then you can also extract data from iTunes or an iCloud backup. And then you'll also get an Android or iDevice to iDevice transfer and iCloud content management. So these are the features right here for AnyTrans right here in iMobie. So if you want to purchase iMobie, there will be a special link in the description below and where you'll get special plans right here, special prices when you're going to buy the AnyTrans right here in iMobie. So iMobie has 4 plans right here that you could choose from. So again, if you want to have special discounted prices right here, just like these ones, make sure to click on the link in the description below. So iMobie AnyTrans right here has 4 plans. So we have the family plan, the one-time purchase, the 1-year subscription, and the 3-month subscription. So for the family plan, so this one is unlimited devices or 5 PCs and Macs. So this one will cost you around $79.99. And the original price was $109.99. So if you want to get the special discount of $79.99, make sure to click on the link in the description below. Next is we have the one-time purchase plan, so unlimited devices and 1 PC. So this one will cost you around $59.99, and the original price is $79.99. Next, we have the 1-year subscription. So this one is unlimited devices as well and 1 PC. So in here, it will cost you around $39.99, and the original price was $59.99. And then lastly, so we have the 3-month subscription plan right here. So unlimited devices and 1 PC as well. So this one will cost you around $35.99, and the original price was $55.99. So so if you want to avail for special discounts just like these ones right here, make sure to click on the link in the description below to avail these special discounts. And then after that, that's pretty much it. So that's pretty much it, a review on iMobie. So if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.